Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the inspiring case study of Castrol India Limited. Castrol, a global leader in the lubricant industry, is renowned for its innovative products and marketing expertise. In this session, we'll explore how the company tackled challenges in reaching new markets, specifically in the motorcycle oil segment. Here's what we'll cover. 1. The opportunities and challenges Castrol faced. 2. The key problem they identified. 3. The innovative solution they implemented. Part 4. The results and lessons we can learn. Let's get started. The context. Opportunities and challenges. To understand the situation, we first need to look at the market dynamics and Castrol's position. 1. India's booming market. India was experiencing rapid economic growth, with a rising middle class, increased disposable incomes, and aspirations for personal mobility. 1. By 2010, the two-wheeler market was projected to double from 42 million to 80 million units. Dr. Concept 2. Shifting consumer behavior. Earlier, motorcycle owners would buy engine oil from retail shops and take it to mechanics for servicing. Now, a shift occurred. Consumers began directly relying on mechanics at non-franchised workshops, NFWs, for oil changes and repairs. Part 3. The aftermarket challenge. Castrol had significant presence in retail and franchised workshops, but struggled to penetrate the NFW segment. This untapped segment presented a huge growth opportunity, but was fraught with challenges like scattered locations, low volume demand, and high servicing costs. The problem, now that we understand the context, let's focus on the specific problem Castrol faced. Despite being a leader in motorcycle oils, Castrol India's growth did not align with market potential. The company was adding just 2.5 million litres annually, against an 8 million litre market growth in the motorcycle oil segment. The key issues: limited access to NFWs due to reluctance from existing distributors. Volume, high risks and costs associated with servicing small, dispersed workshops. The lack of a targeted strategy for the aftermarket segment. The solution: an innovative distribution model. To tackle this problem, Castrol designed an innovative solution. Here's what they did. Introducing the CASA program. CASA stands for Castrol Authorized Service Associate. CASA representatives were independent entrepreneurs, equipped with motorbikes and small working capital. They purchased products from distributors and delivered them directly to NFWs, ensuring frequent, low-volume supplies. Dr. 2. Benefits for key stakeholders. NFWs received timely, door-to-door delivery of products at competitive prices. CASA representatives earned a modest income with opportunities for growth, but distributors expanded business without significantly increasing operational costs. The Castrol achieved deeper market penetration and enhanced brand visibility. Implementation and results. Let's move on to how this innovative model was implemented and the outcomes it achieved. On pilot program, launched in 2007 across 4 regions, involving 100 CASA representatives. The program yielded a 1 million litre increase in sales within a year. National rollout. By 2008, over 450 CASA representatives were operating, contributing 4 million litres in additional sales. The 3. Key success factors. Thorough mapping of NFWs to identify viable locations. Comprehensive training for CASA representatives on sales, product knowledge, and customer relations. Strategic pricing to maintain margins while offering value to all stakeholders. Lessons for managers and consultants. Finally, let's summarize the key takeaways from this case study. These insights are invaluable for managers and consultants looking to solve similar challenges. understanding market dynamics. Identifying gaps in distribution and adapting strategies to meet emerging consumer needs is crucial. Innovative channel management. The CASA model showcased how companies can create cost-effective, scalable solutions to address hard-to-reach markets. Some 3. Stakeholder alignment. Balancing the interests of distributors, new entrepreneurs, and end customers was vital to success. Conclusion. Castrol India's journey highlights the importance of innovation, adaptability, and collaboration in driving business growth. By addressing the unique challenges of the aftermarket and NFW segments, the company not only sustained its market leadership, but also set a benchmark in distribution channel strategy. Thank you for watching. Let's take inspiration from Castrol's example to innovate and lead in our respective fields.